Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ito personal reading. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan. Jing Tarot Reader. Yan yung kanyang Facebook Messenger. And TikTok ko naman, guys, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Feel free to check it out. Diyan sa akin TikTok, makakakuha kayo ng mga ideas about palm reading, ayan, and mga feng shui, panaginip, ganyan, mga kahulugan ng panaginip, nagsishare ako dyan, so feel free to check it out, guys. And dun sa aking TikTok shop, you can avail itong mga products na ginagawa namin, mga evil eyes, and etc. Okay, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. Okay, for Earth sign. Pa-comment na lang, guys, kahit po heart lang, smileys. Thank you. You do have here the Empress, Three of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and you do have here the Empress. Wow. You look so beautiful, alam mo yun. Maybe hindi mo yun napapansin because sanay ka na. Pero iba kasi yung nakikita ng ibang tao sa iyo eh. Parang, they see you as the world. Diba? And when you see the world, diba, it looks so pretty. It looks so beautiful. Let's put it this way, no? Pag tinignan mo kasi yung mundo na ikaw yung nandyan, halimbawa ikaw, nakikita mo sa paligid mo, nakikita mo yung bahay mo, nakikita mo yung paligid mo, yung araw-araw mo nakikita, sanay ka na eh. Pero, try mo yung mga nakikita ng mga nasa labas ng mundo, ng mga astronaut, nakikita nila how beautiful this earth is. Diba? Nagigets mo. And itong mga taong to, they see you as the world. They see you as someone who is so pretty, so beautiful. And lahat nasa iyo na. Okay, iyon yung pagkakatingin ng ibang tao sa'yo. Lahat nasa iyo na. You are both beautiful, intelligent, wise, lahat na yan. And fortunate. Ayan, babae man o lalaki, guys. Mga kaibigan yan, nakikita nila yung buhay mo na someone that they want to live with, 'di ba? Parang not only with, hindi lang mabuhay kasama ka, but they want to live your life. They want to be the one na magi-step or maglalakad or kumbaga magiging ikaw mismo. Gusto nila maging ikaw mismo because they find you attractive. They see your life na napakaswerte. I want to be you. Diba? Ganun. And, nandun yung may mga tao ka rin nai-inspire, may mga tao rin silang, wow, napapaganon sa'yo, may mga tao rin namang, basta all in all, lahat ng nakikita natin pagtingin ng mga tao sa'yo ngayon is maganda. No? Maybe some of them hindi sila nagsasalita. Hindi sila nakipag nagpaparamdam man lang. Wala man lang paramdam ni Haniho dito sa mga taong to. But still, ganun pa rin ang pananaw or pagtingin nila. Nagagandahan pa rin sila sa'yo. Nagagalingan actually para sa iba. So pagdating sa love, sino tong person na kakonect mo? Pagdating sa love, sino tong kakonect mo? Kakonect mo is the Five of Pentacles. Ayan, and the word is will, act for pennies. Maybe this person needs work. Maybe this person needs money. Kasalukuyang bagsak ang kanyang career. But the Nine of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Nine of Pentacles, please. Five of Cups. Kung ano man yung mga accomplishment nitong taong to, maybe, okay, wala siyang pera ngayon, problemado siya ngayon, pero somehow marami siyang mga na-accomplish, pero hindi siya satisfied and happy doon. Pwedeng, alam mo yun, nakagraduate naman siya, ganun. Pwedeng, I'm not saying is your person is ganun ha. Example lang yan. So, meron siya mga accomplishment. Narating naman niya tong buhay na to, narating naman to ganyan. And nakuha naman niya yung mga pangarap niya. Pero, hindi siya masaya. This person is not happy. Lalo na nga na nagkakaroon siya ng mga problema at saka pagkabagsak ngayon na nangyayari sa kanya. Ang daming pagbabago. And I feel like with the Death card, some kind of ending ang nangyari dito sa person na ito. Pwedeng sa connection niya, feeling niya is nag-end na. That's why there's no communication para sa iba. But, the love is still there. So, kahit past person, this person, hindi siya naka-move on. Hindi ko nakita na nag-move on siya. Hindi ko nakita na nakalimutan ka na niya. Okay? The way I see this person is currently facing a lot of dilemma, a lot of karma. Pero, nandun ka pa rin sa isipan at puso nitong taong to. So, ano emotions mo for this person? The Hierophant is here and the Ace of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus energy. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. Emotion, nakikita natin na parang, I don't know, you're very mature. By the way, you're very mature. Sa ngayon, you're focused on money, you're focused on material things, you're focused on thinking kung paano pa grow or paano mas magle-level up pa yung money mo. Maybe you do have the right knowledge, you do have the right experience para mangyari itong growth na ito sa'yo. Pagdating sa person mo, I don't know, you are more entertained sa iyong sarili. Mas na-entertain ka sa sarili mo, sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon, sa mga nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, sa mga inaaral mo ngayon. So, mas na-entertain ka dyan. Yung pag-iisip mo is more on nakafocus dyan and not with this person. Okay? And, yeah. Spiritually, I can see a very spiritual and mature person. And that is you. How about yung person mo? Anong emotions niya towards you? For Earth sign. Seven of Pentacles is here. The Moon. Nine of Cups. I see this person spiritually kasi may connection yung iba sa inyo eh. And hindi lahat pero some of you. This person sees you as like, alam mo yun, parang like a trophy. Nakikita natin yung trophy dito. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Parang mahirap ka makuha. Gusto kita pero ang hirap mong makuha. Ang daming challenges. This person, sabi ko nga kanina, this person still loves you. And with the moon, pwedeng nararamdaman niya yung spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. This person is dreaming of you. This person wants to feel you, yung presensya mo. Kasi maybe nakaka-find siya or nakakaramdam siya ng comfort pag nararamdaman ka niya or pag nandyan ka. Parang komportable siya. Sa ngayon, hindi siya okay. And the Nine of Cups is here. So, I'm seeing a person na parang masaya siya sa kung ano man yung mga accomplishment na na-achieve mo, kung ano nangyari sa'yo. And yan, nagpakita na naman yung Ace of Cups. So, this person loves you. This person loves you. Even yung mga kaibigan niya or maybe family, they like you. Okay? They find you attractive and nakikita nila yung mga meron ka ngayon na parang itong mga taong to, nanghihinayang sila bakit hindi naging kayo. Okay? And also at the same time, nakita nga pala ako ng person na parang pwedeng lagi siya naka-bracelet or meron siyang pinahahalagahan na bracelet na maybe ginawa mo yun, binigay mo yun or binigay ng someone, a friend na lagi niya sinusuot. So, nakakita tayo ng ganun. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Wait, gusto ko munang malaman ano yung gusto niyang mangyari sa connection na ito. Anong gusto niya mangyari sa connection na ito? So, you do have here the Three of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. This person wants to travel. The Three of Wands and the Knight of Wands is showing like as a travel cards. Ten of Cups and the Lovers. Pwede may kinalaman sa family. The Sun is here. Some of you, this person wants to build a family. Honestly, if you're dealing with a person na may karelasyon ng iba, this person wants to marry that person. Okay, gusto niyang pakasalan. And, kasi feeling niya yun yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya. But, also at the same time, gusto niyang kalimutan kung ano yung meron sa inyo, kung ano yung nangyari sa inyo. And, like what I've told you, pwedeng mahal ka niya. Ang masama nito, naiwan ka dun sa puso niya na parang maybe the only thing na makakapagpaalis sa'yo dyan sa puso ko is if I marry this person. So, parang ganun. But, maybe that is not possible for now, especially wala siyang pera. And at the same time, wala siya sa place kung saan niya gustong gawin itong marriage. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Four of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. I can see you concentrating on money. Concentrating on money. Money, 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 money. More on ganon. Maybe may mga bagay kang gagawin with regards to your savings. So, I can see possible na ang pag-invest. I can also see you na parang may mga ideas ka na gagawain para mas magkaroon pa ng growth. More on material and money ang nasa isip mo in the near future. And with regards to your person, may mga ways ka kung bakit hindi mo na iniisip ng taong to with the Four of Swords. Maybe you will listen to music, or you will listen to something na makakapagpawala sa kanya sa isip mo. No, maybe bago ka matulog, instead of thinking about this person, pwedeng makikinig ka na lang ng tarot, you know what I mean? And you will try your best na mag-focus sa mga obligasyon mo, and especially sa career. Okay, pagdating sa person na ito, what will happen in the near future? Six of Swords is here. Six of Wands is here. Nine of Wands. Ten of Cups is here. Let me clarify the Six of Wands. What's with the Six of Wands? Queen of Cups. The bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Nakakita ko ng victory. Some of you, no? Pwede magkaroon ng partnership sa inyo ng person ito, like maybe a business partnership, and that would lead into a successful partnership. Yan, kasi both of you shares the same energy. And itong mga energy ninyo ay nagmamatch. No? Pagdating sa person nito, I can see troubles, problem. Pagdating sa usaping family or usaping marriage, I can see challenges. And tell me about this. Yeah, the Page of Swords. Someone here is acting so immature. So that's why if you're dealing with someone na may kakonect na iba, medyo malaking pagbabago. Kasi someone here is being so immature. Medyo hindi sila nagmamatch ng person na ito. And the way I see this, okay, there's a relationship, pero ang dami rin namang quarrel or pag-aaway. And paghingi ng sorry, ganun yung nakikita natin. Five of Swords is here, and the Four of Wands. Clarify the Four of Wands. Judgment is here, and Temperance. Nakikita ko yung, alam mo yung vision that I see now is like the energy of Bea Alonzo and Dominic. So, if you're not familiar sa kanilang love story, actually, I'm not familiar din naman. Hindi naman, I mean, may konti lang akong naririnig sa news, no? That it was like an engagement na parang hindi natuloy. May some sort of breakup na nangyayari. So, ganun yun yung nakikita natin sa person. By the way, nakakaamoy ako ng taong bagong ligo, ha? This could be a reading. Yun nga, nakakita tayo ng person na possible na kahantungan ng relationship nila. Isa ngayon, oo, gusto nila na ganito, ganyan, may mga plano, but hindi yun magtatagal. Dahil hindi pa man din nangyayari yung plano or yung kanilang gustong mangyari sa plano nila, nagkakaroon na ng maraming problema. And I feel like someone here is magigising sa katotohanan. And time will come that itong mga plano na ito ay hindi matutuloy at sila ay possible na magkaroon ng like space, space between the two of them. And tell me about this space. Yeah. The Page of Cups is here and Hermit. Yan. Actually, these two cards are not equal. Actually, hindi sila bagay talaga at all. Nakakita tayo dito ng person na parang minsan lang na, maybe na-attract itong person mo dito sa person na ito, saglit. Pero, mawawala yun in the near future, yung attraction. Kasi this person, maaaring ginagamit lang niya itong person na to as an escape mechanism para makatakas siya sa totoong nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. Na ang totoo niya, naghihintay siya sa'yo. Na ang totoo niya, mahal ka pa niya. No? Na alam niya na ikaw talaga ang gusto niya. Ikaw talaga gusto niya makita, etc. Pero medyo mahirap ka lang talaga makuha. Okay? So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.